100% now. See we they don't know we but they acting like they do now. Yeah.
Boom, bang, bing. It's your boy Jamaican J with his first 2021 GTA video. Yeah, 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. If you're a first time viewer, do remember, bit slap that subscribe button, kick that notification bell. Yeah, it is much appreciated on this channel, you know what I'm saying? I haven't did any videos in a while, but you know, it's life, man. Life happens, man. Word up. Please follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J4, Twitter, _X Jamaican J. You know what I'm saying? I got some videos on TikTok, man. Y'all should check them out. Word. So today we're gonna be trapping as usual. You know, I stay trapping, man. Word up. I stay trapping. So today we're gonna be trapping. But I got a surprise, man. I'm going to be trapping on my hoverboard. I just bought a hoverboard, so I'm going to be trapping on it. So let's go check it out and see what's up. Yeah, man. So Happy New Year to everybody, man. 2021 was a real shit year. Word up. It was, man. I lost a couple people myself. R.I.P. R.I.P. to all my people that I lost in 2020, and if anybody out there who lost anybody to this pandemic, man, you know, my blessings go out to you, man. Word up. I feel your pain, bruh. Whoever it is, man, I feel your pain. Yo, word. Yeah, man, let's all get some weed, man. Smoke, celebrate, bring in a new year with some enjoyment, man. Yeah, let's go up in here. Yo, hombre. Let me get some weed, man. Let me get some, I don't want none of that amnesia shit. Let me get some Northern Lights, man. And let me get some Purple Aids. Thanks, man.
Yes, it's definitely illegal to stuff a midget with coke and treat him like a piñata.
Word up. So,
oh, you're an international.
let me see if I got anything to sell. Anyway, I'm talking about trapping. Let me see if I have anything to trap. Oh, it looked like I got something. Okay. You know what? Let me take on my hoverboard, man. I'm walking. So the only thing with this hoverboard is that this thing comes up over. This thing comes up over our head. That's a hoverboard. I don't know why the fuck they gotta keep reminding us that we're on a hoverboard. I could clearly see I'm on a hoverboard, but big up the guy who made this mod anyway, man. Big up yourself.
Oh my god, did I get the part?
So on this hoverboard, as you notice, I could set like this way. You know what I'm saying? I could stand up straight. You know? Hold up, I want to try something. Let me get off this motherfucker. There we go. You know what I'm saying? Could walk with my hoverboard. All right, let's start the trapping, man. Start the trapping. Hold up, let me see if I could call somebody. What we selling today? What we selling? Yeah, man, let's sell some Coca-Cola, baby. All right, you know what? Let me go somewhere first. I gotta have somewhere I sell from. I'm always selling in the hood. Let's go uptown. Yeah, get out the way, dude. I mean, I'm always selling in the ghetto, man. Fuck that. I'm going to sell to these upscale people. You know what I'm saying? Sell to these upscale folks. Yo, chill out, dude. So if I go right here and sell.
The best part about plucking bell?
Just
Hey!
kill
Throwing
me.
it
Please,
around?
just kill me. Just kill me.
Yeah, what about in right here? Right here should be too good, yeah. Yeah, right here should be good. Get off. Get off that hoverboard. I can't even pronounce the name of this shit. All right, man, I'm selling. Yeah, man, I hope y'all had a good Christmas, man. You know what I'm saying? See some family y'all ain't seen in a while. Seeing some family you don't even want to fucking see. What's that? Accept.
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, I'll take that, man. I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
I've been waiting to hurt somebody.
I'm on my
I'm
way.
gonna hurt you. I bet you thought I
Yo,
was...
get out of here, man. Where you at, bro? Where you at? What you want, man? What you want, bro?
Diet sodas are actually worse for you, you know.
Oh, it's this guy right here.
Dude?
There's no way.
What happened? Let me see. Maybe, but
More?
you got nothing to sell. Shit, I ain't got shit to sell. Oh my God, man. So why you didn't tell me that, bro?
Whatever, dude.
I don't gotta call, man. Telling you, man, hustling ain't easy, man. Let me call Z. See if I could get some stuff. All right, where is that dude, man? Do I need a car for the dude to sit in? Where is he? I think they're gonna tell me I need a car. Yo, bro, were you walking across? Yeah, run, man. He's gonna tell me I need a car. Watch. Oh, no, I don't. I need some. Yo, come over here, man. We can't work. We can't do this in the middle of the street, bro. Come over here, bro. Damn, man. Trying to get me locked up. Come around here, bro. Come down here, bro. Come down here. Yo, y'all try to get me locked up, bro. Come down here. Yeah. Ah, okay, there we go. I need some of that. Buy 7. Let me get 6 of that, man. I wonder if that's 6 keys, bro. Alright, man, get lost. Get lost, man. Where's them upscale people? Get out of the way. Let me go over here. Maybe we could sell up in here.
Hey, you my dude, right? Yeah, brother.
Damn, man. The rocket is running out of gas. Damn. All right, man. Let's start. Yo, who is that dude over there? Why does he keep coming over here?
Hey, what's up?
What you want, bro? Go ahead, get lost, man.
Hi.
Hey, what's up, girl? What you want? Go ahead, man.
Thank you.
You're welcome, girl. Happy New Year. Yeah. Yo, big up to my sister in England, man. Big up yourself. Yo.
You look amazing. Let's hang out
Hey.
soon.
What you want, man? What you want to buy?
What's up?
Yeah, big up Jackie Brown in Germany. Yeah, big up Jackie Brown. Yeah, go check her out on TikTok, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Got some nice videos. Same thing, Jackie Brown, you know? I think that's... Yo, where's that dude, man? He's all the way down there. What the fuck? I think I'm gonna have to go to this dude right here. Yo, get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Car rule. Yeah, what's cracking?
Where you at, girl? Hold up, let me get off the board, girl. Oh, you wanna come on the board? Oh shit, I didn't know y'all did. Hold up, let me see something. Y'all could get on the board? Okay.
How y'all doing?
There you go, girl.
Thanks.
Oh, I could bring people on the board, yo.
Hi. I dropped by my headshot.
Hello?
Oh shit. Come on, bro. Let me take you over here and sell you something, bro. Let me take you over here. Let me take you over here so the cops don't see me. Yo, get out the way, bro. Yo, this board is tough. Let's go down here, bro. All right, get off the board, man. Get off the board, bro. Look at this dude.
Hello.
Yo. He disappeared with the board. Yo, go ahead, man.
How are you? Thank you.
So I gotta get off the board before the
Crazy.
See, now it's glitching. It's still telling me to sell that person. That person not there. See?
What's up?
Go ahead, man. Invisible man. Go ahead. Oh, there we go.
Blind and dumb.
What you want, man? What's up, man? Y'all up in my face. What's up? That's all you want? Get out of here, man.
It's okay.
Don't try nothing, man.
Crazy.
Where's my board, man? Where's my board? Uptown, uptown.
Damn, my lord.
I wonder if I could do stunts on this board.
Hey, you.
Damn, nobody don't want nothing. They don't. Nobody don't do drugs up here. Okay, here comes somebody. Come on, bro, hurry up.
Hello.
What you want, man?
What's where you are?
Get out of here, man.
What are you? A blind motherfucker?
Yo, who you talking to, man?
Hey man, what's up?
Oh, I got a sale. Hold up, I got a sale, y'all. I got a sale up here. Yo, dude, what you doing, man? Get out of here, man. Where's this person, yo? Where's this person? I don't know where this person is. Look like he's below. Let me go over here, see what's up with it. I don't know where the fuck this person is, man. Oh, is he below? I ain't going down there. Fuck, man, fuck that. I don't want that shit, bro.
Yeah, I work with Scott Stevens. If by work you mean run ridiculous errands.
Oh, it started raining. Man, hustling is not doing well up here. What the fuck? Yo, Jesus. What's going on here? Look at this shit. Look at this.
Hey,
Yo, what you want, man? What you want, bro? All right, man, get out of here.
thanks. You beg my pardon.
Yo, get out of here.
Get the fuck out.
Who else wants something?
Hello.
Hello, hello, Miss Ying. Go ahead.
How are you
I'm
today?
I'm great.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, who this?
I'm
Yo, bro, take it easy. You're gonna have a heart attack.
Life shit, ain't it? Gracias.
Go ahead, man.
Hey,
Yo, what up? What you want? What you want, man? Standing there looking at me and shit.
Fucking crazy.
I ain't crazy. What you want? 4G. Oh, go ahead, man.
Whoa.
Money, money, money. Hurry up, bro.
Gilmore.
I got a sale going on. New Year sale. What you want, bro?
¿Qué pasó? Who cares?
Go ahead, bro. You don't want no problem. Go ahead. Man, fuck y'all. I'm out of here. Oh, look, let me say. I think they said this rocket. I think they said it could fire rockets. Oh, yeah, baby.
Yo, what? Fuck
Man, fuck you, man. Hey, hey, get out of here, man. Get that shit out of here, boy. Get it out of here.
Citizens report a disturbance on
Just what I need.
Get that thing. Oh, I didn't even know I could do this.
I will kill the person who did this. Yo. Man, that's dumb luck right there.
Go ahead, cops. Leave me alone. Y'all don't want no problems. Oh, shit. They home off the whopper, baby. Get that thing out my way, man. Oh, they're on my ass.
Woo, too close.
Yeah, this hoverboard is nice, man. I think I'm gonna keep this in the game forever. I'm never driving again. Come on, cops, leave me alone. Yo, y'all don't wanna fuck with me, man. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me?
Suspect doing 50 miles per hour on Palomino Avenue.
Now, let me leave these cops, man. They don't want to see me hassa. They don't want to see the, they don't want to see the Jamaican, they don't want to see the yard man make no money, man. But it's all right. All right, go ahead, y'all. Maybe what's that guy in Spider-Man that be on that board? I don't remember what the fuck his name is. Kind of remind me. Oh, Green Goblin.
Man, only inches.
Yo, this skateboard is tough. I'm just checking out the board, guys. I know I'm supposed to be hustling, but damn, this board is fun. Oh man, I thought I could take that corner right there. Yo, get
That's dumb luck right there.
even the security guard trying to catch me. You see that shit? Them cops can't keep up with this board, man. All right, let me get rid of these cops. That's enough fun.
Fine car you got there.
Yo, get away, man. Let me go up in here. Yeah, this board is fun, bro. This hoverboard is nice. All right, man, let me just sell it. Yo, how come my car is right here? Oh, that's my Benzino. I've been parked this shit right here. Man, I've been parked this. You know how long I parked this Benz here? I can't believe it's still there. That's where I store my drugs in this Benz. Man, but I've been parked that shit there for the longest, so. Let me get it out the street. Let me get out of this car. Because I'm hearing a lot of fucking music, man. I thought the music was off. They're gonna get me fucked up in this. They're gonna get me copyrighted. What's wrong? Why I got all these? I thought I turned the music off. It is off. Look at that. No, no. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Knock your teeth out. Look at my gold teeth, bro. Yeah, man. So they're still calling more cops.
We have a civilian.
Man, I ain't got no time for this. Yeah, man. So this is where we're gonna end the video, man. It's a short video. We're not gonna keep it long. I made some money today. I think I made like 3,200 or something like that, 3,600. So that's cool. As a matter of fact, you know what? Let me see how much money I got. Okay, see, my money going up. I don't know why the music be coming on in the game. I gotta check that out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You know what I'm saying? It's much appreciated. Kick the subscribe button. Body slam the notification bell. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers, you know. Support is much appreciated. Happy 2021, man. May all your dreams and your goals come true. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, thanks for watching. God bless. And one.